Is your Canon scanner not working? Whether your scanner isn't detected, won't scan, or fails to respond,
wouldn't or keeps showing errors, this quick guide will help you fix it in just a few minutes. Scanner issues can happen after Windows updates, driver problems, Wi-Fi connection errors, or incorrect scanner settings.
Let's go through the most effective fixes.
First, make sure your scanner is powered on. If you're using a USB cable, reconnect it or try another USB port. For wireless scanners, confirm that both the scanner computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Turn off your Canon scanner. Restart your computer and reboot your Wi-Fi router. After everything powers back on, try scanning again. Outdated or corrupted drivers are one of the most common causes.
Download and install the latest Canon scanner driver that's compatible with your operating system. Then restart your PC.
Open Canon's scanning application instead of using a third-party program. Also, set your Canon scanner as the default scanning device in Windows settings.
If your Canon scanner is still not working,
the issue may require advanced troubleshooting or a driver reinstall.
If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Canon printer and scanner solutions,
and leave your scanner model in the comments if you need additional help.